because like mine you can see actually like the other main dad. You can like change it also. Oh, see, look, it looks nice. Like once you can switch my camera. Yeah, dad has.
Is your camera?
Yeah, it's my camera.
Pero minsan
I like the
nag-ano,
Samsung
Ano ba
kasi
yung iPhone ba?
namamatay
no,
na
it's the
photos.
Samsung. I actually like the Samsung better because I think the Samsung has like a better like
That's
like,
Samsung,
camera.
man.
Yeah, Samsung has better camera features.
Okay.
Anyways, dad has like a what's it called? Oh yeah. Ano yan? Yung car accident story niya nangyari sa 2016 and there's another one today. Apparently, ano nabangga ka?
Hindi, yung muntik ng ma-accident kami kanina. Sabi ko, ay, nabigyan ako kasi ayaw pagbigyan si daddy doon sa magra-right turn. Ang daddy ko daw magkwento kasi hindi daw ako
No,
bigyan.
we're turning right. Para,
Where daw, sabi niya.
so can come in here. We're turning right. The intersection ganon. Pero the thing is, nauna ako dito. Meron ditong diretso. I'm afraid to signal to take a lane. Because we are ito naman, it just went straight, you know. So, and I just took a look. Doon na sa tabi ko.
Yeah, halos dikit na eh.
Then he blew his horn.
Kung mahit yun, ako ang
Sabihin.
tatamaan.
He could have just allowed me to change lane. Kasi nasa likod pa eh. Medyo malalayo pa eh.
Ma'am, dito ka. Dito ka. Kasi may camera dito. I like this kind of angle.
Ay, ito na muna.
I know, I just need like
Yeah.
a booster thing. Mom, can I have a tissue over there? Tissue box. Nalagay ko para tumaas na.
Ito, mas maganda, mas mataas.
Yeah, and here.
Mas mataas, diba?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good angle. Mom's good.
Right.
No, like a...
Kung gusto nyo pa
Only
ng
12 minutes.
ito pa, ha? Like some rice pa, ha? Masarap nga yung adobo habang tumatagal. Masarap.
Oh, nakikita si Dad. That's pretty good. I know.
Yeah, yun. Naikwento na ng daddy mo. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Oh, Dad, did you also know na namatay yung nanay ni Brad Pitt? Namatay din yung nanay ni Brad Pitt sa August.
Kailan?
August.
August?
Yeah, but he went
Last year?
2025, yeah. He started partying.
Kaya nga.
Shortly after. Pumunta siya sa parang restaurant. Nagpa-party. Brad
Yeah,
Pitt.
that's not good. Dapat
Sabi
mahalin
ko
ng
yung nanay
parents.
Pag nag-party.
When her mother died, she was happy. He was happy.
I don't know, pero like, very shortly after, pumunta siya sa restaurant, nakita siya na parang sasaya. Hindi sinabi na
After
masaya.
burial. Nabili na.
But like, it's like Michael Jackson's funeral, di ba? Like, Joe Jackson was like, oh, I know my son died, but make sure to buy our merchandise.
Daddy, you want rice pa? So I can
Tama.
preheat.
Yeah, the food's actually pretty good. We got like,
Yeah, pero ingatan mo, may tinik
fish.
ha?
What
That's
is that?
tilapia.
Dad, what are you eating?
Ika.
Dad is eating, what are you eating, Fabs?
It's supposed to be adobo.
My mom's eating adobo. I'm eating this.
That's money.
Yeah, that's good for today. Trying to do a little bit of the. I'm working with AI today.
Ito may lagay yung yung tinik ha? Yan, masarap yung adobo.
Yes. So, hindi kayo nag-ticket? Nakuha kayo ng ticket o ano?
Hindi na. Hindi.
No, like walang police?
Wala, muntik lang. Yung kasi hindi mag-giveaway kay daddy, magra-right turn si daddy. Eh yung dire-diretso.
Babae?
When he blew his horn, pumunta ako sa link ko.
Oh.
So, for me, if I see a car already, with a wheel like that, slow down, man.
Ang bibigyan ni daddy eh. Nabahan ako doon eh, kasi ako na...
Adobo siya good.
Ano yan? Kung nabangga, malakas ang impact mo. Talaga ayaw magbigay. Si daddy na lang nag-ano eh. Si daddy na lang Mabilis din ang ano ni daddy. Yung reflexes ba tawag doon? Kasi kung hindi. Pero alam mo magbibigay siya o hindi, dad? Tingin mo, hindi siya talaga magbibigay?
Hindi, dahil halos katabi ko eh, sa kanagbusina lang, di ba?
Yeah. Grabe, no? Mag-test kayo ni daddy?
Maybe actually. Kasi natalo siya.
Oo, okay na. Kaya daddy masaya siya, natalo mo at natalo ka daw niya.
Ito ah.
3-2. I actually won, like 3 times now. Ang talagang from the beginning.
Huwag yung sabihin, pag natatalo ka, nata-challenge ka, di ba? Oh, gano'n lang yun.
Ang game tayo may.
Hindi ko naman niya.
Ayun, nakaready na.
May
Oh.
meeting kami 10 o'clock eh. So before 10.
Kasama
But
siya.
I thought Daddy has no more positions in it for though.
Wala na.
No iba.
So ano ba yung meeting na?
Now we just funded subject for
Okay.
political purposes nasa Philippines.
Oh, at least Dad's not very
We try to organize for the 2020 elections in the Philippines. To prevent Sara Duterte from winning.
Paano ko nagsusupport ako kay Duterte? Actually,
Marami.
I'm gonna talk about it.
Yung anak.
You know?
Natalo yung ano. Mungkip mo. Dahan.
Well, actually, may case naman ako. I'm a case, it's like a phone case.
Yung banda namin sa Pilipinas, maraming tagahanga ang ay Duterte. Maraming ano tawag, supporter.
Fanatic.
Wala ka na bang nahiwa niyan, daddy? Ubus na? Ha? Wala ka na nahiwa niyan? Ubus na? No, wala na nga.
Sweet there.
May isda pa, anak. Ito.
Tastes really good, Bo.
Ito. Yan, ito.
Tastes really good.
Yeah, thank you.
Niluto mo ba ngayon lang yung isda?
Actually, kagabi, nalimutan ko ahin. Nawala sa isip ko. Kasi, di ba, nagprito ako ng adobo, ng baboy, adobo, di ba? Nawala sa isip ko, meron pala akong isda. Ayun pa, oh.
Good, Bo.
May dalawa pa na ipiprito ko dito mo, pero nasa freezer pa eh. Naka-frozen pa yung dalawang ganyan.
I'm done with this poop. Can we practice with us? Oh, God.
Nakita mo yung video, binidyo ko yung snow kanina.
Yeah, yung sabi mo snow
Oo,
squall.
snow squall, tawag nila.
I don't know what that is.
Like if blizzard.
Grabe daw, sabi ni daddy na. Hindi mo naramdaman ng 10 o'clock in the morning, ang lakas daw. Nasa labas si daddy.
No, I was actually sleeping. And then Bella was like calling, I think.
Dad, gamot mo ha?
Still alive, but every day I'm like, oh my God. I'm gonna go over done for the day.
Natutuwa pa ang mukha